Hello everyone, it's Kathy with Paper Phenomenon showing off moving parts page folios minis style 5. So just to recap, I resized, remade the moving parts page folios to an 8 by 8 size. These are originally 11 by 11. This is the original one that this one is modeled after. So if you'd like to take a look at the original, you can watch that video. It'll be linked in the description box below. So just for size difference, look at the difference right here. Just plain and simple, right? These 8 by 8s, you can fit 4 by 6 photos in them. You can even fit 5 by 7s. All right. It turned out beautiful. This paper collection that I'm sporting here in this look is the Numerals collection. It'll be linked in the description box below. It turned out gorgeous, guys. This one is very, very fun. Look at this. There's so much to see here. We've got a little dangle here. Look at that camera. We've got a few little mini frames here with acetate. So just look at that. How beautiful. We have a B is for butterfly. So I like to think of this one as a school theme, but for a more mature individual, right? Not necessarily grade school, but this could be high school, college, just whatever. This paper collection, Numerals, is anything goes. Anything goes. But the way I did this, it just kind of hit me. And you'll see it in the process videos on unbox.com, where I'm like, oh my gosh, school. So I think it's the B for butterfly that hit me. The risk taker, the key to your future, creative. You take photos, right? All of the numbers, the star. It just screamed kind of like achievement to me. So open this up. You get room for photos. This is loose. This is just a little pocket in a pocket right here. Another place for a photo. All right, so we've got a double layer of acetate, so you can sandwich your photo in between the acetate. And look at that, goes right here in that little pocket. The number 5, smaller photos here. This opens up. Look at this, guys. Look at this. How gorgeous. For 4 by 6 photos, and I have photo mats here just to demo. Here are 2 photo mats. You could put 4 by 6 photos in here. All right. Then this is magnetized. That closes. You can put a photo here. You can put a 4 by 6 photo here, right? Yes, you can. And I show you that in the original ones. But I wanted to do these up just a little bit more fancy. So I went with the smaller photos and gave the 4 by 6 options in the pockets and in every other place. And you'll see what I mean. Let's tuck that back in there. Then here you can see you have your options for your 4 by 6s. Look at this paper collection, how gorgeous. And I'm going to just remove these so you can see more of the matting. I will keep this one though because it's part of the whole key to the future thing, right? And then this opens up. Look, I love this trio. Now, confession time, my friends. After I put the word risk taker here, I just kind of, I guess it made me read, and then I cannot unsee now the word boo. Do you see the word boo? I know now you see it that I'm calling it out to you, but this B is not for boo. It is for butterfly. All right. So there you go. 4 by 6 photo here if you want to, right? You absolutely, this is a 4 by 6. You can put a 4 by 6 photo in here if you want. But I opted for the 2 smaller photos because, boom, 4 by 6, 4 by 6, 4 by 6s in these pockets. Look at this, guys. You can do a 5 by 7 here or a cropped version of an 8 by 8 just to fill in this space with a photo. How fantastic is this? Make time to be creative. So dream broad. Love it, love it, love it. So I feel like it's just so appropriate for, you know, some kind of educational accomplishment or any kind of accomplishment, right? Wherever you see it fit. And of course, it doesn't end there, my friends. We have more. We have this side for photo mats. Of course, I want you to see the matting, which is why I don't put your photo mats in here. And look at that beautiful matting there. So your 4x6s fit in here, this way or this way, either way, or a combination of. You can put a 4x6 here. Then you have this slot right here, right? And then you can do this as well to keep it nice and tidy. So you have 4x6, 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 4x6. This keeps this nice and tidy. Oh, I forgot. Up here, you have room for 3x4s up here. I totally forgot that. So that is cute. And I forgot to put the magnets in here, but I go through it with you in the process videos. So that's why that's not staying closed. I got so excited about matting, I forgot about my magnets. So this side opens up as well for 4x6s. Look at how adorable this photo mat is. 4x6s, 4x6s, right? Let's not forget the 3x4s that you can tuck in there. And then here, this is the side I did up with photo mats, all from all of the embellishments that you see here from the Numerals collection. Your 4x6 here. Of course, this opens up. You can put 5x7 in here, by the way. And of course, your 4x6s, 4x6 here if you choose to do that. There's so much room for photos. Pretty paper. I like to look at it. So there you go. Tuck this in. Again, I did more of this ABC thing because of the whole school thing. And just wow, my friends. I love the way this turned out. And I hope you love it too. I can't wait to read what you guys think about this beauty and this Numerals collection. This was a very popular collection for Paper Phenomenon. And here is another project with the collection that looks completely different than what I did in the past. I even did one of my one-sheet show-offs in this collection for a 5-year-old birthday. And that turned out fabulous. And look at this one with kind of like this kind of school vibe, right? But more in the higher grades. I just love it. Love, love, love it. Can't wait to hear what you think about this. This is Style 5. There's something in this series for everyone with the paper collections that I have chosen. I went really broad in the spectrum here, picking out paper collections. We have I have two more styles to share with you guys, but I want you to know that those styles will be posted on Monday or at the latest Tuesday. I forgot that this is a holiday weekend and we have plans. So just to be on the safe side, we'll continue with style 6 on Tuesday and then style 7 on Wednesday, September 4th and 5th. All right. So very excited to share those with you. Let me know your thoughts on this one. Happy crafting. This is Kathy with Paper Phenomenon, and until next time.